Do you want to invest in real estate but don't know where to start? Today, I am going to share 3 reasons why Atlanta is a great market to invest in. Make sure to stay with us until the end because we have a major announcement from RealWealth. Also, if you want more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're feeling super fun, please leave us a comment. I read all of them. The first reason you should invest in Atlanta is the targeted job growth, which is fueling hyper-local demand. Now let's break that down. According to the Atlanta Regional Commission, 840,000 jobs will be added by 2050, bringing the region's total employment to almost 4.6 million jobs. The ARC also forecasts that the 21-county metro Atlanta region will have a population of 7.9 million by 2050. So Atlanta has job growth, but where and who is hiring matters. The airport industrial submarket near Hartsfield-Jackson has exploded due to Amazon, FedEx, and UPS expansions, driving workforce housing demand in South Fulton and Clayton County. This is the busiest airport in the world by passenger volume, but it also ranks as the #1 airport in the US for cargo traffic in the Southeast, making it a logistics powerhouse. Next, the Midtown's tech corridor is home to Google, Microsoft, and NCR, making one-bedroom rentals in that area the fastest appreciating per square foot. Also, pro tip for you investors out there, focus on neighborhoods within a 20 to 30-minute drive of new job hubs. Pay attention to zoning and upzoning along MARTA transit lines for future developments. The second reason that Atlanta is an excellent place to invest in is the median home price is below other major metros. Atlanta has not yet hit the price ceiling that other cities like Austin or Denver have. Median home price in Atlanta is $388,000 versus $600,000 in Austin, but rental yields in Atlanta can be higher due to steady demand and lower taxes. The rental vacancy rate is also only 1.6% according to Evernest. The South DeKalb areas and parts of the Gwinnett County are still undervalued but have strong rent to price ratios. Our last reason is one that might be overlooked, but it can have the largest impact. Reason number 3 is landlord leverage plus Georgia's political climate equals lower risk for investors. Georgia's regulatory environment is a big win for out-of-state and local investors. There's no rent control, they have fast evictions, and there's very limited tenant protections versus states like California, New York, or Illinois. Atlanta also offers favorable property tax structures and a pro-business environment. Here's another pro tip for investors. Use this to your advantage by structuring long-term leases with built-in rent escalators. Before we close out, I promised that big announcement from RealWealth. So here it is. We are opening up investment opportunities in Atlanta. If you are ready to invest, go to realwealth.com/schedule, where one of our investment counselors can help you find the right property and the right market. Atlanta is not just growing, it's evolving. And smart investors are already positioning themselves where the jobs, the infrastructure, and migration trends are headed next. If you want more market deep dives like this, make sure to subscribe and drop a comment below. See you next time.